So here at your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, when the owner of the house thinking of selling your home, right now we already have over 52,000 buyers in our database. You see, long before you call our team, my marketing department every single month through radio, through billboards, direct mail, social media, online presence, every month we have about 2,000 buyers calling in every single month. This is Tony and Grace. So Tony, think about it, right? So in order for us to get your home sold, what I do when the owner of the house hire our team, we already have a database over 52,000 buyers that's already pre-approved, pre-qualified, ready to buy. In our team, we have 60 full-time buyers agent. Every day they are on the road looking for homes. So when the owner of the house hire us to get their home sold, all we do in a very short period of time, we bring in all the buyers in a very short period of time, creating multiple offers environment. Get the home sold, multiple offers into this market. But we always want to make it better and better and better. So that's when I met Tony and Grace here.
Hi.
So they're talking about, hey, how can we make it better, right? So if I bring in, if you're selling your home, I bring in multiple offers in a very short period of time. That's how we have about close to 1,000 5-star reviews on Zillow. If you go to YouTube, we have thousands of endorsements. Many of our clients, they are happy. The reason because we basically get the job done in a very short period of time. But can you share the idea on home staging? How can we make it better? Because buying a home, we talked about it just now, it's an emotional decision. Right? So can you share from your experience what's better? How can we improve to have, in addition to have multiple offers, how can we involve the buyers to emotionally fall in love with the house? So not only the home sold for make sure at the top dollars.
Okay. In a short period of time, we have to make the buyer in love with the home first, right? So our job is to make the home very warm, welcoming. So people come, they can image themselves into the home. So they'll make them in love with the home right away, and then it will help to sell and also to get top dollar.
So every home, let's say the owner of the house hire my team because we already have the buyers, and then you show up. When you show up, you're gonna make that home looks like a brand new. The whole idea is to make that home like a brand new home, so people fall in love emotionally, fall in love with the home. Can you give example exactly? What do you do exactly to make that happen?
Well, according to the every house design is different, floor plan is different. So we have designer here.
So Grace is our interior designer.
Right. To make a home very nice, beautiful, and every house got different design. So according to the home, and then according to the design, we use different furniture, different decoration stuff. So to fit in.
So Chris, you are the designer, right? So the way it works is that my team is the owner of the house hire us. The moment the owner of the house hire us, Tony is gonna show up, do a consult with the owner of the house to give an estimate as far as how much work needs to be done. Once the owner and you agree, then Grace is gonna show up, do the actual work. So when you go into a house, like what do you envision? Like what are you trying to accomplish? And like, can you share like some of the most challenging situation when you show up in a house? Yeah, like what do you think? Like when you show up at a house, like what is it that you're trying to like what is it that you're trying to accomplish here when you show up at the owner of the house? And give me some of the biggest challenge when you show up, like some of the house that's been, you told me just now, some of the house been on the market for almost a year.
That's right.
And then you guys show up, when you show up, you actually turn this home into look like a brand new home and sold within the first week or two, you said?
Right.
Yeah, we have so many examples.
Yes.
And the house in the market, like 3 months, even 300 days, and there's nobody even asked for it. And so then we just put some stuff and make sure the house looks nice, okay? And then on the first week, it have a 10 group to look at.
And you have
the house
multiple
sold.
offers.
Yes.
Okay. How long it takes you? So if the owner of the house hire our team, we show up, they hire us, and Tony show up to make sure the owner understand what's the next plan here on the home staging. How long does it take you to actually get the job done?
Well, usually it take about 2 days.
2 days.
2 days.
So if on Monday, the owner of the house hire our team,
Right.
and then Tony show up on Monday. Let's say the owner of the house meet on Monday morning,
Okay.
and then we show them we have about 52,000 buyers looking to
Okay.
buy homes, and then in our system we already have buyers looking to buy homes just like that. So the owner hire us, and then on Monday at 3 o'clock we set up an appointment. Tony show up on the same day. Can you do that? Same day? So the owner, so I call you at Monday at 10 o'clock saying, hey Tony, the owner on 123 Main Street already hired us. How long it takes you from the time I call you for you to show up?
Well, usually I would show up within an hour.
An hour, okay.
Yeah.
So if it's 10 o'clock, so I just want to make sure we set expectation, right?
Right.
So on Monday at 10 o'clock, the owner of the house hire my team, and then realistically, we can call you on at the same day,
Right.
3 o'clock you show up.
Right.
I don't expect you to show up within the hour, but at least same day, right?
Yeah.
Same day, so the owner meet us at 10 o'clock, and then you show up at 3 o'clock. And then let's say the owner did agree, okay, what's better than to have many buyers? What's better is many buyers come at the same time and the home looks like brand new home. So the owner agree with that concept to stage the house. And then when Grace show up to actually do the work.
Well, after we sign the agreement,
Yes.
contract, and then we would do it. Usually, we start schedule it. Second day or third day, we're gonna do it, and then after that, within 2 days, we finish it.
Okay, so Monday at 10, Monday at 3, Tony show up, having a consult with the owner of the house. And then the next day will be on Tuesday. You show up, Grace
Okay.
show up to make sure you look at what works needs to be
Right.
done. And then by Thursday,
Thursday will be
Right.
by
finished.
Thursday the job done.
2
should be
days.
done.
Right.
And then on Saturday at 1 o'clock we bring
You
in
can open
all the
house.
buyers.
You can open
Right.
Right?
house.
We don't do traditional open house. The agent wait passively for the buyers to come in. We don't do that. What
Okay.
we do what we call a chorong. Yes.
Oh.
Yes,
Oh,
we already have 52,000
Wow.
buyers in our
Okay.
database,
Right.
right?
All right.
So
Right.
the owner hire
That's
us on
very good.
Monday while you show up having a
Right.
conversation with the
Right.
owner of the house, work on the
Right.
house. My team working on the telephone, we call the 52,000 buyers
To go
Right.
over
to come over on Saturday. So on Saturday, so you do the job finish on Thursday,
before. Right.
right?
Yeah,
And then
Right.
on Saturday at 1 o'clock, when we have multiple offers, the home already look like a brand new
brand
home.
new.
Exactly.
Correct.
Is that's the plan?
Yeah,
Correct.
So we need
Yeah.
to be able to do it before, because Saturday, Sunday, that's when most buyers
Yeah.
are
Open
available
house.
Right.
to look at the home,
Right.
right? That's okay?
No problem.
Yeah, no
Okay,
problem.
that's the plan.
We'll do that.
Okay, so it's a
Alright.
simple plan. Okay, so it's a simple plan here. So basically it's this. I told Grace and Tony that over the past 10 years, my team and I, we already have the buyers. We sold over 5,000 homes, and so how to make it better, right? How to make it better as we launch into 2019, 2020 here is what's better is that we create the home when we bring in the buyers, create multiple offers, and we make the buyers fall in love. So every single house, we make it look like a new home.
New home.
Right.
Right, like
That's
a brand
it.
new construction.
That's it.
Because all of the buyers that we come in, this is not right. The open house, the traditional open house is the agent passively waiting for the buyers to come in. Some of
Right.
these buyers, they don't qualify to buy.
Oh yeah.
Right.
With our system, not only we have 52,000 buyers, but each one of them, they already pre-qualified, pre-approved, and they already on the road right now with our agent. We
They're
have
ready.
60 full-time buyers agent looking by homes. So when you hire us to sell your home, it's as if I've been working for you long before we met, because we already pre-qualified them. We already showing homes every day. So when you hire us, all we need to do, we call the buyers, bring everybody come in.
That's more efficient.
Yes, and the reason I like this idea on making the home looks like a brand new home is now not only you have multiple offers, but now the buyers are emotionally fall in love with the house.
Right.
Right? So it's a simple plan. So the owner of the house hire our team, same day. On the same day, you're gonna show up,
Right.
you're gonna meet with them, and then the next day, Grace gonna come in, take a look at the home, and you guys think what needs to be done. But the whole idea is that before Saturday at 1 o'clock, you make this home
It's
look like a
done.
brand new home.
Right.
Exactly.
Right? So simple plan. So
Alright.
here at your home sold guaranteed realty, your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy. Right now, I have about 52,000 buyers looking to buy homes here in the area. To discuss the sale of your home, call 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159. So the moment you meet with our team, Tony here is going to show up, giving you a free consultation on how to make sure when the buyers come in, they actually fall in love with the house. There is no fees, there is no obligation for it. If you don't want to do that, then you just tell Tony, you know what, Tony, I don't need that, that's fine. But at least we want to make sure the owner of the house have that option. That they want to make sure that, hey, when not only Rudy will bring the buyers, but the buyers will more likely to fall in love with the home.
Correct.
Because buying a home is an emotional, an emotional decision. Right?
Once they look at the home, it's beautiful, they're in love.
Done.
Yep. And these are sample of work you can see here now. These are all the sample of work of what Tony and Grace have done in the last in today's market. All right.